Penne with lemon and artichoke hearts. This dish is absolutely delicious. It's a healthy pasta recipe, and I believe your whole family is going to love it. And I believe you're going to love it too. Let's go over the ingredients and let's get cooking. Before we do that, I need you to subscribe, hit that like button, and ring that dinner bell. Now let's get cooking. To start, what we're going to do is we're going to saute some garlic, red pepper flakes, kalamata olives, Parmesan cheese, parsley, artichoke hearts, lemon zest, lemon juice. We're going to finish you off with a little cheese, and we have a pot of salted water. Actually, it's not salted yet. We're going to drop the salt. I already have it at a boil, and this is a quick and easy recipe that I believe your whole family is going to love. So let's drop the pasta, and this is going to be done in 10 minutes. It's an easy pasta recipe, and it's just absolutely delicious. Okay, so now we're going to bring this up to a boil. Pasta should take about 10 minutes. What we're going to do is we're going to put this pan over medium heat. You don't want to go too high. Okay, now let me just wait for this to heat up. We're going to drop some oil in there. We're going to saute the garlic, the red pepper flakes, throw the artichoke hearts in, the olives, and it's that simple. So I make this recipe mostly on Fridays or Sundays because it is a meatless dish. This is definitely vegan friendly. It's vegetarian friendly. All you got to do is swap out the pasta and you're good. So, okay, so the pan is just coming up to temperature. What we're going to do is we're going to go in with a couple of tablespoons of good extra virgin olive oil. We're going to go in with the garlic and the red pepper flakes. And we're going to saute this just until the garlic becomes lightly golden. That should take about maybe a minute. What we're going to do is we're going to go in with the artichoke hearts, and we're going to saute the artichoke hearts just to heat them through, about maybe a minute. Let's give this pasta a good twist. Okay, and this is just smelling absolutely delicious. So let's put this on the side. So I noticed a lot of you guys have been viewing my videos, and I need you guys to subscribe. Now, we've made it pretty simple. If you look right here, you see right there, you see that little square button? It says subscribe. Just click on that, and it'll instantly bring you to the subscribe button. And you're subscribed. So, we made it as easy as that. So, hey, get back in here. Okay. This is just smelling delicious. Okay. Give the pasta a good twist. Okay. Now what we're going to do is we're going to go in with the olives, the lemon, the zest, the parsley, and the cheese. We'll go in towards the end. And this is that simple. I mean, you can't get any simpler than this. Okay, so now all we're doing is we're waiting for the pasta to cook through, put it together, and then that's it. So as soon as that is done, I will take you to the next step of putting this together. I will show you how we're going to plate and serve. In the meantime, hit that subscribe button, subscribe, hit the like, give me that thumbs up, and don't forget to ring that dinner bell. Okay, so this pasta is just cooking through. We're going to remove that from the heat. Now what we're going to do is we're going to transfer the pasta into the sauce. Make sure you drain it. You don't have to drain it that well. We're going to need some of this pasta water to create the sauce. So get all that pasta out. Okay. I got a little more in here. Okay, that's it. Okay. Give it a good mix. Now what we're going to do is we're going to go in with the lemon zest. Get all that zest in there, it's all flavor. We're going to go in with the lemon juice. We're going to go in with most of the parsley. Save a little for garnish. And now what we're going to do is we're going to remove this from the heat. And we're going to mix this, adding pasta water to create a nice sauce. So let me grab this. Let me grab a couple of ladles of water. Okay. Let me give this a good toss. Okay. And it's that simple. This recipe is done. Okay, go in with the cheese. Make sure you get all that cheese. And all the amounts in this recipe will be in the description box. So you don't have to worry about the amounts. So keep tossing. Keep tossing. Toss, toss, toss. And what you're looking for is that sauce become nice and creamy. Okay. Let's give it a good mix. The starch from the water and the pasta will start thickening the sauce. Now, most people ask if you don't have enough of sauce, is the best thing to add pasta water? Okay, now here's the thing with that. A lot of celebrity chefs tell you if you don't have enough sauce, just dump in pasta water. Okay, if your sauce is a little tight and you need a little more, that's fine. Just a little water. You got to remember, this is salted water. The last thing you want to do is stretch out a sauce because it'll be so salty, the sodium content is just too much. What I do is I use this pasta water to thicken my sauce, like I'm doing here. Okay, I made the sauce, and I'm using the water to thicken it. Okay, the starch from the pasta will thicken, and the sauce will be nice and thick, nice and creamy. So, let's plate this, and I will show you what it looks like. Let me clean up first. Okay, so you're going to grab yourself a bowl. Grab yourself a nice ladle. We're going to go right in with this. Okay. Let's get enough of this. Okay. We'll put it just like that. What we're going to do is drizzle it with extra virgin olive oil. Okay. A little parsley, just to freshen that up. A little more cheese. And this is just looking fantastic. Okay. Let's clean the plate. Okay. Okay. And there you have it. Penne with artichoke hearts and lemon. This dish is absolutely delicious. It's an easy pasta recipe. It doesn't get any easier than this. So let's give this a try. Make sure you get the artichoke hearts, the olives. We'll get everything in here. Mmm. 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 Absolutely delicious.